All right, welcome back everybody. This is Rob from Rob's Numismatic Archaeology. It seems like a lot of you like my date restoration videos on these buffalo nickels, where you often find them in circulation. You know, it's not quite often you find them in circulation, but you do. Most of the time they're going to be slick like these, where you can probably see a partial date. Like this one I see 2. These ones I don't see anything at all. Well, I've been using a product called nic-a-date, which is a ferric acid. When dropped in the spot where the date is, it will, hopefully about 80% of the time it will reveal the date. So a lot of you like it. I'm going to do some more. We'll do a step-by-step, and this is what we are using. You can pretty much find it anywhere online. Just do a search for nic-a-date. So, all right. That being said, let's keep going. Alright, so I got my nic-a-date. I'm going to pop open the cap and then put a dab on each spot. You're only going to want 1 drop. And then we will wait a few minutes until the date is restored. I'm going to do a time lapse because sometimes it takes a bit. Alright, so about 3 minutes have passed. Let's go ahead and dip these in water, clean them up a bit, and we'll see what we got. Alright, so we're back. They're all cleaned up, and we have some good visible dates. This one here, you see it's in 1916. This one, 1918, 1920, and 1919. Pretty cool considering about a couple minutes ago you couldn't see what they were, and these are all over about 100 years old, which is pretty cool by itself. Also, a little disclaimer, if you have nicer looking buffalo nickels, I would not recommend using nic-a-date because it will decrease the value. These right now, these are still worth about face value. Maybe a buck to a person who wants them or looking for them. But only do this when you obviously don't care or want a book filler. Like if you're missing these in your buffalo nickel album, you can do that. But I would not recommend doing these on the nicer ones where the date is visible. So, all right. Well, I'm glad you guys came to watch this. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll have more videos shortly. See you guys next time.